Hey, this is welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing product right here, and basically what this is an intelligent dog camera that also has a treat dispenser as well. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and this is what the product looks like. And you see on the side right here, they probably got some of the specs and features that's on here. And then back right here, they tell you guys all the different parts that's on the product. But first, they might open the product to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So first thing inside right here, they provide guys the charging cable and the wall adapter or the wall charger. Right underneath that, you see they provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And then right underneath all of that, you guys can see the product right there. So let's take it out. Alright, so once you take it out, you can definitely see how there's a bag right here. But let's take off the bag first. So once we take off the bag, you can see right here, there's some more stuff in terms of wrapper on top and also on the side right here. So let's take all that out as well to give you guys a better point of view of the product. Alright, so once we remove the wrapper, this is what the product looks right here. So on top of right here, we do have the camera. Right here, we do have the mic. Right here, we have a set button. And right here is where the treat will come out. And we see right here, we do have the brand logo. And if you guys turn the back part right here, they give you guys the option to hang on the wall if you guys want to. And on the side right here is where you guys can plug in the cable to actually activate the product. And you see the bottom right here, we do have a bunch of suction cup. So once you guys put it onto the table or on the ground, you don't have to worry about the product moving around. And then the top part right here, we do have the lid. So once you guys open up, that is what the inside looks like. So once you guys put your treat inside right here, it will start dispensing inside. So that is everything that's on the product right here. Let me just go plug this in and download the app first. Alright, so I'll plug it inside right here. Once you plug it in, you can see we do have an indicator light right here that pops on. And once you guys download the app, they'll tell you guys to create an account. So I'm actually do that as well. And if you guys don't know which app to download, they actually provide you guys the QR code on the back of the device and also on the user menu as well. So once you guys finish downloading the app and creating an account, this is what the app looks like right here. So you guys want to add a device. And the one that we want to select is the dog camera. So first thing I tell you guys to do is to press and hold the button right here. Alright, so once you guys hear that beep, you guys actually continue to the next step. And now it tells you guys to connect it onto a 2.4 network.
Door of success.
And once you guys finish that, it'll give you guys a QR code to scan using the dog camera. Alright, so once you guys hear that beep, you guys move on to the next step. Alright, so now connecting.
Paired successfully.
So now we got it all set up. So if you guys are curious about what the app looks like, once you guys connect it and pair it, this is what the app looks like. So you definitely have all the different features on here. You guys can change it from HD to SD to smooth. And you definitely have the camera option, the record option, and also video record option. And right here we do have a feed button. So I press it one time. That will toss the treat out, but because there's no treat inside yet, it won't toss anything out. So let's say I want to take a photo, I want to press this button right here. And that takes a screenshot. But if I want to record, I want to press this button right here. And that starts recording it. If you guys want to talk to your pet, you guys want to press this button right here. Hello, can you hear me?
Hello, can you hear me?
So if you hear the feedback on here is actually pretty strong because it's too close to the actual microphone. And right here we do have the listen button. So let's turn it on. You guys can hear the other person on the other side. And this one has a little bit of feedback as well. So I don't want to talk too loud on here. But in here it definitely does work. And right here we do have like the photo album. So you definitely see everything that is recorded on here. And right here we do have the full screen button. And top right here we do have the setting. So let's press it. You have the option to change all these different settings on here if you guys want to. And supposedly for the power here, it has night vision. So I'm actually test that out. So right now we still have the light on, but once we turn off the light completely, you guys can see the night vision activates on here. You can see it's definitely very clear. You can see I'm waving right here. And if you guys are curious about what the device looks like, let me actually show you guys. So this is what you guys see on the pod right here when they use the night vision option. So that is everything that's included in the pod right here. Let me just go put some food inside to show you guys how the product works if you guys do use the feeding option. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so I have the product all set right here. But let's test out this pod right here first. So what I want to do is put some food inside right here first. Alright, so that should be good. Let's pull it back up. So once we have it all set up, we can start using it. So what I want to do is to go in the app and press and hold the feed button. So once I press and hold it, you can definitely hear the sound on here. And there goes the treat. So if you guys want to feed more, you guys want to keep pressing the button. Alright, so definitely see the product on here definitely does work. And if you guys have a lot of crumbs, it's gonna make a mess on here. If you can see, there's a bunch of crumbs here and a bunch of crumbs on the floor as well. But definitely when you guys set a product, you have to put it somewhere pretty high. Somewhere around that range should be fine, so that way you can toss it out. Because if you guys put it on the floor, let me show you what happens. So I put it right here. If I toss it from there, let's see what happens. If you can see, it doesn't go that far compared to when you guys put it a little bit higher. But definitely, if you can see, the product on here definitely does work. And also, if you can see, the suction cup on here is actually pretty strong. Once you guys put it on here, if you guys try to take it off, it definitely has that suction in the bottom to actually hold it in place to prevent it from like moving around as much, which is definitely super useful, especially if you guys are a pet owner. Alright, so we have the product right here. Let's test it out and see how it works. So I'm gonna press the feed button on here. Let's do one more. Alright, so you see the product definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test, the product definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. I really like the sound that it makes once you guys toss this food out. It actually sounds really cute. But you see the product works really well. So you definitely have the option to use it as a camera, or you can also use it to feed your pet as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality dog treat feeder that has a camera option, the night vision, and all the other specs and benefits that I mentioned that's on here as well. Then I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.